We go back to yesterday. We made it to the upper 80s for high temperatures, and today back to the mid to upper 80s. It's been a nice little break from the 90s for you. They're coming back. They'll be here by Friday and right through the weekend when the heat and humidity really crank right back in for us. And this morning we are starting off in the mid 70s. So far, look, Sky Tower radar is quiet, but once that sun comes up, you're going to start to bubble up these little showers and storms. There's a lot of little tiny things going on in the atmosphere, which are all going to really allow for more widespread, more numerous showers and storms to develop today. One of them is an upper low over here in the northeastern Gulf, and that just keeps cranking up all that deep tropical moisture and pulling it up our way. Then you've got that old boundary, which is pretty much gone, but there's still a little bit left, and that gives you convergence, which helps lift. And then the heating of the day. I mean, there's just so many tiny little nuances in the forecast, and it all equals scattered showers and thunderstorms. See, so it's my job to put all these little nuances together and come up with the phrase scattered showers and thunderstorms. So low to mid 70s for you as you're walking out the door. Everybody in Central Florida this morning. It is 80 in Key West. You contrast that with the 72 that we have in Panama City. Moisture, sky-high dew points, not just in the lower 70s, but mid-70s over the Keys. And I point that out because now that we've got kind of a south wind for us today, the humidity is going to get even higher than it was yesterday. Good thing is we got a decent amount of cloud cover around, and that has helped a little bit, because if we hadn't had the cloud cover, these temperatures would skyrocket. We'd have bigger storms, but with some cloud cover today, we're going to get a scattering of showers and storms around this afternoon, and the overall rain chance plus 60 to 70%. And it's not going to rain all day long. We saw that yesterday, right? But at the same time, it could rain at any time. So it's not your typical summer pattern where, you know, you're getting those late day and evening storms. You could get a quick shower at 11 a.m. and another one at 4 p.m., that kind of deal. So just keep that in the back of your mind as you're getting ready to walk out the door and throw that umbrella in the back seat. Probably need it again for today. There's a 10% chance this area shaded in yellow could develop into something tropical, maybe non-tropical. Not a bother, though, because even if that was to happen, right, it's going to move northeastward and away from the lower 48, so it's not a concern. The other thing I'm noticing here, you see over Cuba and over the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, this is all that Saharan dust. And that Saharan dust will continue to move our way, and you'll notice it more than likely tomorrow and then going into the weekend as well. Upper levels, you'll get those vivid sunrises, vivid sunsets, but it'll also lower the rain chances. The thing is, when you lower the rain chances, what happens? Heat goes up. So 85 today, variable clouds, scattered showers and storms. Not raining all day, though. We've got rain chances dropping to 40% by Friday and then only 30% for this upcoming weekend.